Hello guys, I'm about to share a strategy that will completely change the way that you trade. This strategy is so simple that 10 years old can actually apply this strategy and be using it to make a lot of money in the market. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump into my chart so that I will show you step by step on how to actually use this strategy. Now, I'll also use this strategy to find possible trades on the chart. I will also show you exactly how the strategy works, and we test it out on the chart to see how effective that this strategy is. Now, once you open your chart, the first thing that you need to check is this trend of the market, like where the market is actually going. Now, in the market, we have three types of trends, which is the uptrend, the ranging market, and the downtrend. So the uptrend is usually when the market is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, the downtrend is usually when the market is making series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then the ranging market is literally making equal highs and equal lows, equal highs and equal lows. As you can see, the market is not breaking above this particular range. So that is what we call trending market. Now, with that in our back of our mind, we can go back to our chart. Now, looking at this chart now, you can see from here now, this chart was making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then equal high. So you can see when the market made equal high, that's when the market now changed trend and now started making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it's about to put on some lower high again here before it now breaks down to another lower low. Now we have already identified the trend of the market. As you can see, I'm actually in daily time frame because we have to see the overall trend of the market. So basically, me, I use higher time frame to know the direction of the trend. I'm now go down to 4 hour and 1 hour to place my trade. Sometimes 15 minutes, we still get to that point. Okay, so after we've already identified our trend, then the next thing that we need to check is for us to check the price action, like what is happening on the chart right now. Now, you have a lot of price action, we have series of price action, but the most common price action that we see every day in the chart here are the double top. So once you see the double top, the market will usually reverse and start falling down. Then, as you can see, if market make a double bottom, the market will also reverse and start pulling up. Now, this is head and shoulder, this is the shoulder, and this is the head, and this is the other shoulder. Once you see this kind of setup, now the market will start going down. Now, this is inverted head and shoulder. This is the shoulder, this is the head, this is the shoulder. Once you see this inverted head and shoulder, just know that the market is going up. Now, all you need to do is for you to position yourself. I see this neckline. Once market break the neckline, this particular place now is called a neckline. Once market break this neckline, the market will just start pulling up. Now, here also is also a neckline. Once market get to this neckline, the market will start pulling down. You have to know this simple price action on your head once you want to trade. Now, let's go back to our chart. Now, guys, you can see now this is, you can see this double top. Now, once market made this double top, the market started pulling down. So, guys, you have to now go back to 4 hour time frame to actually see what is happening. Now, looking at this chart now, as you can see that market made double top here and even showed double top. As you can see, it made double top. It even made triple top here. Okay, that was another price action. Price made triple top here and the market started falling down. Now, it's not good for you to just jump on the market and assume that the market has already made a triple top. All you need to do is for you to pull up your trend line. Let me say I pull up my trend line from here and I'll just draw it. So once market break this particular trend line, just know that market is coming down. Now, the only thing that you need to do is for you to go to 1 hour time frame so you can be able to see what is happening. Once a 1 hour candlestick settles below a trend line, just know that the market has already broken. You can see this 1 hour candlestick settles below trend line, and just know that that market is coming down. Now, let me show you guys some basic principles of trend line so that you understand how to actually use this trend line. Most of you already know this strategy, but I'm just kind of reminding you guys what this strategy is all about. So first of all, you know that once a market hits 1, 2, 3, from this 3 bounce, the market is going to obviously skyrocket and start going up. Or when market hits 1, 2, 3, when it's a downtrend and market hit the third place, that's when the market will start pulling down. There's another instances. If the market break below here, if market break below the trend line, all you are going to see, sometimes the market is going to come and retest here. Then once the market retest, it will start pulling down. Now, most of you already know what I'm saying already. Now, let's go back to my chart. Now, guys, you have to pay attention. Don't rush this trade. This is a 1 hour time frame. Once you draw your trend line and the trend line breaks, as you can see, market settles below this particular trend line. All you need to do is for you to pull up. Once you see a 1 hour candlestick settle below a trend line, just know that that market is going to obviously come down. Now, guys, you guys know the basic principles of trend line for you to be able to enter this market. As you can see from here, market, this is first touch, this is second touch, and this is third touch. Now, this third touch, two things can happen in this third touch. Is either the market just touch this trend line and start pulling, going up, or market breaks it and obviously come down. So that's the two things that happens on the third touch. Now the thing that you need to do is for you to just go to 1 hour time frame, and for you to be able to see what happened in this 1 hour time frame. You all know that the higher the time frame, the stronger the candlestick. So if a 4 hour candle settles below a trend line, it means that that market is going to sell. Now you have to pay attention. 1 hour candlesticks are very important. I prefer 1 hour candlestick than 15 minutes candlestick. 15 minutes candlestick are kind of tricky. So 1 hour candle are strong. So guys, if you pay attention here, if you pay attention to this particular place, as you can see, this 1 hour came here and settled and gave us this particular candlestick, which is called morning star. So you can see this candlestick right here is a morning star candle. This is a sign that the market is going to sell. For you guys that don't know about candlestick, this is called morning star. If you see this candlestick at your entry price, just know that the market is going to go down. Now you have to also know that once you're taking this trade, you have to check the time, the particular time that you're taking the trade. As you can see, this is 9 o'clock. So you can see the time here. This is 9 o'clock. This is London session. This is when the London session is open. Once you see this setup in London session, just take your trade. Now, how will you even take your trade and where will you place your stop loss? Simply come here, short position. I want to go to 4 hours to be able to see what we are doing here. Now once you enter your trade, this place should be your first take profit. This side should be your first take profit. 100% retracement to the recent. This is a support here. So this support, now once market gets to this place, you take out half of your trade. Now you have to drag this thing down to the recent low. This is about 315 pips. Easy peasy. So you take out your first take profit here and your second take profit here. Boom, you are good to go. After you have taken your profit, you have to now start looking for another entry. Now guys, you guys remember what I told you, that the market is going to be making higher high and higher low. Now if you look at this place now, you see that the market is making, this is actually a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now but if you look at this now, you see that the market is about to put a double top here. As far as the market stays below this particular level right now, because the market is literally giving us a double top here. If it stays this below particular level, the market is obviously still going to be going down. Euro USD, I'm analyzing Euro USD. The market is obviously going to come and go down. How do you go about taking these trades? That's what I want to show you now. Now because you have identified that the market is a downtrend, now what you need to do is that if you wake up in the morning after you've already analyzed, you already see that the market is going down, all we need to do is to first to go to 1 hour time frame, because 1 hour time frame is where I literally take my own trades. This is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is another higher high, and this is a higher low. So how do you even take advantage of this trade? Now another thing that I used to pull is Fibonacci. If I pull this Fibonacci, I'll draw it down like this. You draw it from the recent high to the recent low. So what you need to do is for you to pull up your Fibonacci trading tool and you draw it from your recent high to your recent low. So you can see this is my recent high right here and this is my recent low. Price was actually reacting to this 61 and 50% retracement region. Price always respect this region. Market usually pull up to 50 and 61% retracement region before it starts going down. Now as you can see that when market gets here, it came down and obviously for some reason it came up again and was not able to break this 61% retracement region. Now if you are monitoring this trade and you see this indecision candle and this period is actually 12 o'clock, and you have to also monitor the time that you take this trade, make sure that it's during London or New York session. That's when you should be taking trade. Don't take trade in the night. Once you see this indecision candle, and as you can see that it was also respecting this level, even though it's packed up, indecision candle means that the market is going to go in the opposite direction. All you need to do is for you to also take your sell right here. Now where is that sell? What sell? All you need to do is to short from here. Your stop loss should be above the candlestick. Obviously you can give it a little more space. Me, I advise for you to like give it like 20 pips. Now your first take profit is going to be here. Now for you to be able to know your second take profit, because as you can see right now there is no support or anything right here. So for you to know your second take profit, all you need to do is to also use this your Fibonacci. This your Fibonacci will show you your second take profit. So this is your second take profit. This minus 21% retracement region. Okay, so all you need to do, take out half of your trade. 50% retracement, take out half of your trade. As you can see, market wanted to reverse, so yeah, obviously take out half of your trade, set break even, then your second take profit should be here. It's as simple as that. Now once you've already made your money, you start looking for another setup, right? Now you have to be careful, guys. You don't have to be trading every day. Now as you can see, for the whole of this particular region, the market was not giving a right vibe. Now all you need to do is for you to chill out, then bring out your horizontal tool, just map out this particular level right here. Once you see the market reversing, map out this particular level. Now what did I tell you guys? This is a perfect double top. Now once you see this particular double top form in the chart, you should be ready to sell this trade. Now if you look at this candlestick also, you see If you look at that from those candlesticks that I showed you, this one is a doji and this is an indecision candle. This to show you that the market is going to fall. You have to check the time. What particular time is this thing actually forming? Now you have to make sure that this is between London session and New York session. Don't take trades in the night. I keep on repeating this. So the best time to take trade is between, if you are in Nigeria, best time to take trade is between 7 to 9 in the morning. Now then if you don't see any trade, you should wait to take another trade between 12 to 3 or 4. That is when the market is usually volatile and it will give you what you want. Now this is Nigerian time. If you are not in Nigeria, you can convert it to your local time to actually understand what I'm saying. Now you literally take your trade from here, and what do? You set your first take profit here. That is 100% retracement region, which is somewhere here. Easy peasy. Then the market obviously now going to come and make a lower low, and this is a lower high. Now instead of the market to continue to come and give us another lower low, as you can see, it went up. What we have to focus again is that we have to pay attention to this level. Now this is a strong level. We have to pay attention to that particular level. As you can see, guys, this is actually 11 p.m. in the midnight. I'm not going to take this trade. This trade is literally giving a sell vibe. Euro USD. As you can see, this is a morning star candle, but I'm not going to take it, even though I know that this trade is literally about to drop right now. As I'm looking at it, it's about to drop, but I'm not going to take it. That's what we call discipline. I have to wait till London session or New York session before I take this trade. Once this market does not break this particular level, once it stays below this level, it's obviously going to come and make another lower low, because if you look at this place, it's respecting this particular level and it's also giving us a double top. Remember one of the chart patterns I showed you, double top. It's showing us a double top here. So it's showing us a double top, which is the first confirmation, and it's giving us a morning star candlestick. As you can see, this morning star candlestick, this means that the market is about to fall, and it's also respecting this our particular level. It's physically giving us everything, but I'm not going to take this trade because it doesn't align with my rules. So I'm not going to take it. Okay, I'm just going to wait for London session, which is in the morning. So guys, that is it for the day. If you actually like this particular video, like this video so that the video can be pushed out. Subscribe and join my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is where I share quality trades. Okay, you can go and check it out yourself. Thank you.